Look, there she is. Who? Where? Right there, near room D. That must be Mrs. Thompson, our new biology teacher. Why do you think so?
Let's have a look at the list of possible professions. 1. Author. 2. Traffic warden. 3. Vet. 4. Artist. 5. Operator. 6. Lion tamer. 7. Waiter. 8. Air traffic controller. 9. Architect. 10. Graphic designer. 11. Accountant. 12. Cashier. 13. Computer programmer. 14. Pizza delivery boy. 15. Car salesman. 16. Sales assistant. 17. Bank teller. 18. Geologist. 19. Mechanic. 20. Teacher. Repeat these words, please. Here are some more words that are connected with work. Try to guess their meaning. 1. Desk. A table that you sit at to work or write. 2. Uniform. Special clothes you have to wear. 3. Full-time work. Work done during the full number of hours considered normal, usually 40 hours a week. 4. Part-time work. Work done for less than normal amount of hours. 5. Overtime. Work extra hours. 6. Shift. A set time period during which a group of workers is at work, either at night or during the day. 7. Salary. The money you get for your work. 8. Deadlines. Last date for something to be done. 9. Pay rise. Bigger salary. 10. Freelancer. A self-employed person who does work for different companies and is able to select the work and the company to work for.